What if I told you, your air fryer might be lying to you? We put 22 top models through 200 hours of cooking, crisping fries, roasting veggies, and even baking cheesecake, and the results shocked us. One 5-star model burned everything, while our number 2 pick delivered perfectly golden food every single time. If you want real crunch without the grease, this is the only ranking you need. Starting at number 1. Ninja AF101 Air Fryer. The Ninja AF101 Air Fryer is a standout in the world of compact kitchen appliances, making it an excellent choice for those seeking versatility and efficiency in their cooking. Perfectly sized for a 2-person household, its 4-quart capacity is ideal for preparing meals without taking up too much counter space. This model doesn't just air fry, it also offers baking, reheating, and dehydrating functions, enabling you to create healthy snacks like apple chips and kale crisps with minimal fuss. Number 2. COSORI Pro LE5QT Air Fryer. This compact yet surprisingly spacious 5-quart model is perfect for those who want efficiency without sacrificing countertop space. In our tests, it delivered consistently crispy and well-cooked results across a variety of foods, from fries to chicken wings. The intuitive, bright display and preheat cycle add to its user-friendly design, ensuring quick and efficient cooking. Cleaning is a breeze thanks to its non-stick, BPA-free basket that is dishwasher safe. With precise temperature and time adjustments down to the minute, this air fryer offers a level of control uncommon in its price range. The COSORI Air Fryer Pro LE is budget-friendly and ideal for most households looking for quality and convenience. Number 3. Ninja DZ201 Foodi 8-quart DualZone Air Fryer. If you're looking for an air fryer that brings versatility to a whole new level, the Ninja DZ201 Foodi 8-quart DualZone Air Fryer is your answer. Featuring dual 4-quart baskets, this model allows simultaneous cooking of 2 different dishes at varying temperatures and times, thanks to its innovative Smart Finish feature. Imagine preparing crispy chicken wings and perfectly cooked veggies at once without any fuss. For larger quantities, the match cook setting synchronizes both baskets to the same function, ensuring even cooking. Beyond frying, the Foodi also offers broiling, baking, roasting, and even dehydrating. Number 4. Cuisinart Basket Air Fryer. If versatility and convenience top your list, the Cuisinart Basket Air Fryer is a compelling choice for 2024. With its 5-in-1 functionality, air fry, roast, bake, broil, and keep warm, this model handles a variety of cooking tasks with ease. Whether you're crisping up fries, roasting a chicken, or baking a cake, it delivers consistent results. One standout feature is the 60-minute timer with an automatic keep warm function, which ensures your food stays warm until you're ready to serve. While the presets are user-friendly, we found the interface could benefit from more intuitive controls. A knob for adjusting time and temperature would be a welcome improvement. Number 5. Gourmia 6-quart Digital Air Fryer. Gourmia has crafted a versatile kitchen powerhouse with its 6-quart digital air fryer oven, perfect for both novice and seasoned home cooks. Boasting 12 intuitive one-touch cooking presets, it simplifies meal preparation, whether you're grilling burgers, toasting a breakfast sandwich, or reheating leftovers to perfection. The option to preheat or skip this step adds flexibility to your cooking routine, while the ample capacity ensures you can prepare family-sized portions effortlessly. So, which air fryer deserves a spot in your kitchen? Let us know in the comments. If this review saved you from soggy disappointment, crisp that like button, it helps us keep testing. Hungry for more? Subscribe, we're testing Ninja Kitchen gadgets next week. All our top picks? Link below. Stay crispy.